This is inside the second house. This was originally a barn that they have redone. So this would be the kitchen. Now the kitchen is not completely done as far as, yes, they have the sink and counter. They're using this as a rudimentary stove, but you could put in a refrigerator and an actual stove and still have, you could have plenty of room. You could even do an island or use an island cart like this. You could do cabinets all along here or big dining room table. There's a main floor bedroom right here. It's a really good size. This is a full-size bed, and there's quite a bit of room in here. The ceilings are nice and high. Now this is, it has a wood heater again, like the main house. This is a big woodshed closet. That leads to outside so that you can stock it as concrete floors. Now you step up into the bathroom. Nice tile on the floors. Then a really big tiled shower. Little window there. Window here, that's the door that leads into that woodshed heater area. This is a little closet under the stairs. Electrical panel box. Now I'll show you on the outside that there are like barn doors that open and close to reveal these French doors. Tongue and groove everywhere. There is a wood stove here. Some built-in shelving right there. This is a nice big living room. It's really well done. The windows have all been replaced. Now if we come up these stairs, it's a big open room. You could potentially separate it into 2 rooms if you wanted. Now, there is some sort of water issue of some sort right there. Also right here, and I believe it's where the metal roof meets at that seam. I think it just needs to be sealed probably. Here you can see a good shot of those solar panels on the other house. This leads to the stairs where you can have your own entrance up this way. Okay, let me show you outside.